generally caused by problems with your computer's hardware or issues with its hardware driver software. Sometimes, they can be caused by issues with low-level software running in the Windows kernel. Regular apps usually won't be able to cause blue screens. If an app crashes, it will do so without taking the operating system out with it. A blue screen occurs when Windows encounters a stop error. This critical failure causes Windows to crash and stop working. The only thing Windows can do at that point is restart the PC. This can lead to data loss, as programs don't have a chance to save their open data. When a blue screen occurs, Windows automatically creates a minidump file that contains information about the crash and saves it to your disk. You can view information about these minidumps to help identify the cause of the blue screen. Blue screens also look a bit different, depending on what version of Windows you're running. In Windows 7 and previous versions, the blue screen looked much like a terminal screen, displaying all manner of information.
Before you start working, turn off the AVR and remove the cables. Remove the cables so that you won't be grounded. Then open the case.
After removing the case and the cable connectors, remove the RAM gently and carefully.
Go.
Now, to remove the RAM, do it like this. Push it like gently so that the RAM won't be ruined. Then pull the center of the RAM and hold it by edges like this, so that to avoid damaging the RAM.
Okay.
When you remove the RAM, hold the RAM by edges so that it won't be damaged. As you clean the RAM, don't use rough cloth.
For your information, the RAM is a very important part of the computers. You should clean it properly by using an unmoist and clean eraser. Unmoist and clean eraser.
Clean.
To clean the RAM, rub the eraser gently and properly to remove the dirt from the gold pins. Be careful on holding the RAM so that you won't damage it. Hold it by edges. Now put the RAM where it's placed. Do it gently so that you won't damage the RAM.